You finally decided to start training. Great choice. But now the big question, calisthenics or gym? One has you doing muscle-ups on a rusty bar at the park while the dog barks at you. The other has you waiting 20 minutes for a bench, because some dude's busy scrolling TikTok. Both can bring you results, but which one actually fits you? Let me fix that. Before we even start, let's make sure we're on the same page. Calisthenics. That's raw primal training. Your body is the gym. No dumbbells, no machines, no fancy equipment. Just you and gravity duking it out. You're pushing, pulling, and moving like a human machine. Arms, legs, core, all firing together. At the start, it's the basics. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, dips. But once you level up, you unlock the flashy stuff like plunge, front lever, or muscle-ups. Now, flip the coin. Weight training. Basically the gym life here. It's barbells, dumbbells, cables, and every shiny machine staring at you. It's about loading external weight and engineering your body like a construction project. Add 5 pounds this week, 5 more next. You literally watch your muscles grow in real time. Both paths build strength. Both can pack on muscle, but they don't give you the same aesthetics or progression. So the real question is, which one should you pick? Let's break it down. Before we even talk results, let's hit the one thing that makes or breaks most people: money. Calisthenics basically free. 0 memberships, 0 machines, 0 excuses. Gravity doesn't charge rent. You can train in your room on a pull-up bar in the park or even a door frame if you're feeling creative. Want to upgrade? Grab some resistance bands, a pull-up bar, maybe some suspension trainer. But that's just extra sauce. The base game always free. On the other side, the gym is a different story. Sure, you can find a cheap gym, but you'll still have to spend at least $40 a month just for access. Fancy gym with saunas and smoothies? You're kissing $100 a month goodbye. Now, don't get me wrong, a gym membership is an amazing investment. Just make sure the maximum weight for the dumbbells isn't 20 kilograms. And if you're thinking about building a home gym, barbell plates, squat rack, you're easily a grand deep before you even curl a dumbbell. So when it comes to finances, calisthenics wipes the floor. If the cost is not a big deal for you, what about how easy it is to actually get started? On paper, calisthenics looks simple. Push-ups, pull-ups, dips, no weights, just your body. How hard can it be? Well, most beginners can barely knock out 5 clean push-ups. And pull-ups, forget it. Most can't do a single one. Because the truth is, there's no lightweight mode in calisthenics. You're lifting your entire body from day one, whether you're 50 kilograms or 100. That's like jumping straight into hard mode before you've even touched the tutorial. And that makes progress slow. Your first pull-up can take weeks, sometimes months of grind. Now, compared to the gym, it's basically beginner heaven. Dumbbells start as light as 2 kilograms. Cable machines where you can pick the tiniest plate and feel like a champ. Machines that literally guide you through the motion so you can't mess it up even if you try. A complete beginner can walk in, sit at a lat pull down, pick a weight that feels doable, and boom, they're already building strength long before they'd ever get a real pull-up. Rows, presses, curls, you've got 10 different ways to work every muscle to grow them faster. And faster wins mean way more motivation to keep going. Weightlifting is just the easier way in. Both calisthenics and the gym can get you strong, shredded, and athletic, but they don't build the same kind of strength. Calisthenics is functional power at its core. You're not just pumping up your chest to flex in the mirror. You're teaching your body to move like a unit. Core locked, balance on point, coordination firing on every rep. It makes you feel like an actual athlete, not just someone who lifts. The gym, though, that's the undisputed king of muscle size. Machines and barbells let you go way beyond what body weight alone can do, especially when it comes to legs. Yeah, pistol squats are cool, but they'll never hit the same as throwing plates on a bar and squatting double your body weight, even with a weighted vest. Plus, you get precision. Want to laser focus on your biceps, hamstrings, or shoulders? The gym hands you the exact tools to isolate every muscle. So if you're chasing raw body control and athletic movement, calisthenics is your weapon. But if your dream is maximum size, symmetry, and a physique that looks carved out of stone, the gym is your way. Getting results is one thing, but how hard is it to actually get them? That's another thing. Weightlifting progression is simple. You lift a weight today, next week, add a little more or squeeze out one more rep. Boom, progress. Stacking progressive overload is simple and one of the main factors to grow muscle. The numbers don't lie. And tracking progress is as easy as checking your logbook. And with all the machines, dumbbells, cables, kettlebells, the list of exercises is almost endless to hit your muscles from every angle. You will find the moves that click with your body and keep stacking wins. Calisthenics, that's a whole different type of grind. Can't just slap plates on your back. Progression means leveling up to harder variations. Regular push-ups. Next level is archer push-ups, then one-arm push-ups, pull-ups, try muscle-ups. Each new step can take months. That can feel frustrating if you're chasing fast progress, especially when tracking progress is more complicated. For long-term use, both keep you challenged, just in different ways. But calisthenics makes it harder to track your progress. If you want progress that's clear, simple, and measurable, the gym is the fast lane. But if you love the grind of skill building and the discipline it takes, calisthenics offers a long-term journey like no other. Let's be real. Most people don't start training to master a plunge or squat 3 plates. They just want to lose weight. But here's the truth. If your main goal is fat loss, neither calisthenics nor the gym alone is going to save you. The reality is this. Whether you're doing push-ups in the park or squats under a barbell, there are way better options to focus on weight loss. But pair your workouts with a proper diet and sprinkle in some cardio, and you will build strength, muscle, and a physique that sticks around after the fad is gone. Saying that, if you're overweight and just starting out, calisthenics can feel like a straight-up nightmare. A push-up means pushing your entire body weight. Same goes with pull-ups. This is where the gym pulls ahead. Machines, dumbbells, cables, everything can be scaled down. You can start light, build strength safely, and actually feel like you're progressing without dying on rep 1. Plus, gyms come with built-in cardio machines, treadmills, bikes, ellipticals, perfect for burning extra calories and stacking the fat loss game. So, if your main mission is dropping weight, the gym just gives you an easier, more beginner-friendly on-ramp. Did you know that the place you train in matters way more than you think? It can literally make or break your consistency. Calisthenics is basically pure freedom. Park, beach, even your living room, your body is the gym. That feels awesome until you realize it's all on you. No gym bros, no background hype. If you're training outside, your workout partner might be the rain, the blazing heat, or even snow. Some people thrive on that independence. Others, their motivation evaporates faster than a pre-workout scoop in water. The gym environment itself pushes you. Music blasting, weights slamming, lights buzzing. Even if you don't say a word to anyone, you feel like you're part of something bigger. Watching someone hit a personal record next to you, suddenly you're pushing harder too. Just walking into that place creates accountability. You show up, you train. The downside, that same trip to the gym can also turn into the easiest excuse not to go. At the end of the day, it's all about your vibe. Let's clear up some myths once and for all. Calisthenics does get an edge when it comes to mobility. But let's be real, both calisthenics and weightlifting are safe, as long as you're not being sloppy. Bad form, ego lifting, garbage programming, that's where injuries happen, not the method itself. If you're clean with your technique, there's no reason either one should wreck your body. And no, weightlifting does not stunt your growth if you're young. That's just another myth. In reality, lifting done right can boost bone density, support healthy development, and of course, build muscle. Bottom line, both paths are safe and effective if you're doing it the right way. The only thing that'll really break you is your ego. If your goal is to boost mobility, calisthenics takes the crown. You've now got the full picture of calisthenics in the gym, but nothing stops you from mixing both. The combo can give you the best of both worlds. And if you want to maximize your gains, click on this video.